Okay, so lab 4 video 2, this is about how to do the mounting using Bakelite, and then also we're going to talk about how to do basic grinding on the surface using the sander, and also we're going to talk about the importance of getting the edges off the puck. Enjoy. Alright, now we are in our small lab. I just want to show you guys how to do the mounting.
We're going to take our 4 samples that we had, the 2 tensile pieces and the 2 Sharpie pieces, and we're going to mount those into our hard plastic Bakelite puck. This will be our final product here. With our mounting machine, this sample is going to come out like this, which means that the faces we want to look at should be face down. And so as I'm putting my samples on, we have the 2 tensile pieces and the 2 Sharpie pieces. Let's set up the Sharpie pieces first.
Yeah. Maybe put it down here because I can't get them in the camera.
Oh, really? We're going to get them up here, right?
You're tall.
Okay. So for our 2 Sharpie pieces, we're going to need one in the transverse direction. That'll be on the cut face. We'll not use the cut face that has the hardness measurements all over it, so there we go. We'll put that one down like this. And this guy we're going to use for the side surface. Get a nice side surface there. That should show us the rolling direction. Rolling direction, transverse direction. For the tensile sample, we're going to put it down with the cut face for the transverse direction. Put that in there. And one of these faces here to show the elongated grains, the rolling direction. So I'm going to take those and put them on top of our mounting machine here. Just like so. Spread them out a little bit so that the Bakelite can get in between, and so they're not too close to the edges. Now when I release the pressure,
Show the pressure.
that will go down.
Okay.
Show that.
A second.
And so now that I've released the pressure, samples are down there. It looks like they, oh, we're gonna have to redo this video.
Just continue, just continue. That's fine.
It didn't go all the way down though. Okay, that all should be okay, I think. I think we got enough. Are you still going?
Should be fine. So here's the poisonous spray we're gonna spray there. It's poisonous, but it's safer than the coronavirus. I get that. So come on.
So the problem was that when we released the pressure, the samples did not go all the way down, and so we're just going to put a little bit of this liquid wrench in here.
Which is just silicone spray. So
yeah, silicone spray just to give it a little bit of lubrication so that it will actually go down.
when you make cakes, you basically at home someone use something like just
now,
like same
when I release the
concept.
pressure, it goes all the way down.
Okay, let's see. A second. Hopefully you guys can see that. It's kind of dark, but
Once it's down there, we need to add the Bakelite powder. This is a thermosetting resin, just like we talked about in Module 6. And so given heat and pressure, this resin is going to turn into that hard plastic. We have the heat on there already. That's what this collar is for.
Heater,
we need to apply the pressure. And so we're going to take 1 full scoop of this. Squeeze it as we pour so we don't make a big mess here. And fill that up to cover our samples.
just one side note, Bakelite is not chemically dangerous. It's actually the first commercial plastic, so a lot of old phones or TVs or even the buttons of shirts could be made of Bakelite.
Totally.
So it's fairly safe.
Nice hard plastic, good stuff. All right, so we've got the resin in there, we've got the heat, we need to apply the pressure. This guy screws into the top here so that, well, once I find the right thread at least, there we go. This guy goes into the top so that when I close the pressure valve here and pump the side, it's going to lift up my samples into the thing that I just screwed in there.
And then the pressure gauge, pay attention to the pressure gauge. It goes up as the chamber gets pressurized. Oops. We're not gonna edit it, so you guys enjoy mistakes Steven's gonna make.
And so we're aiming between 7 and 8, which is for a 1.5 inch sample.
Just get it there.
There's the little black rectangle right there. That means we want the black rectangle up here for a 1.5 inch sample. So I'm trying to aim between 7 and 8. It goes down for the first couple of minutes just as the sample compresses.
And also because there's lots of space in between.